Hey everyone, this is Sean from Edward Sean. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Simple Confirmation email script. What this script does is when somebody submits a response to your form, they'll get an email back with a customized message. Now, just to explain a little bit about the script here. In this form, we're grabbing the username and the user email. These are both user supplied here in the form itself. Now, it's one thing that can be a bit tricky in forms when you want to grab an item programmatically is these things start at 0. So this is actually item 0 and this is item 1. So you have to keep that in mind when you're trying to grab the email value. So in our case here, we're grabbing the username, which is 0, and the user email, which is item 1, and we're going to use that to populate the email. So here is the user email, which we grabbed from 1. Here is the username from 0, and we're using that in the email message, and we're putting it all together right down here. So if you want to change the subject, you can change it here. If you want to change the message, you can change it here. And if on your form you want to change the position of the email item, all you have to do is change this one to reflect whatever you need. So if you want to move it to position 9 or position 10, just put that number in here. You can test it out, make sure it's right, and that's all there is to it. So how we're going to install the script is we're going to copy everything from up here to here. Go to the script editor by going to the form editor, tools, script editor. So this will normally be empty. I'm going to paste it in and save it. Oh, the dangers of copy and pasting. So function unopen, good. So this little part right here is what I like to call the authorizer. That's just on the form editor. We're going to get a little menu called settings, and there's going to be an option there to authorize, and once selecting that, the script will send you an email and just to easily authorize it without having to dig around in the script itself. So I'll show you that in a minute. So let's set up our triggers while we're here. So we want the main function here is my function. From the form on form submit. So every time you submit the form, that function will fire off there. And oh, it's already asking us to authorize, so we're just going to go ahead and click accept. Good. So now, in case that didn't happen, you go back to the form here, to the form editor, and now we have our settings option here. Click authorize, and since we just had the option to authorize before, the window doesn't come up now, but what happens is that window will pop up, you'll get an email to your Google mail address, and you're good to go. So now what happens? What does somebody see when they submit this form? Well, they're going to end up getting an email message that looks a bit like this. So here was my subject that I defined, and here's the email body, and yeah, that's it. Very simple. You can change it however you want, and they will get that response. So thank you for watching. If you guys get a chance, you can drop by my Facebook page here, Shumway's Fiverr Gigs, and drop me a like or say hello. Also, you can find me on Fiverr. If you have absolutely no desire to install the script yourself, I will happily do it. I have a gig here for $5 to install anything from my blog. And you guys have a nice day.